Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for March. Before I go ahead with the video, I'm really sorry. I was unwell the last week and couple of these monthly videos got a little late. So I'm really sorry again and I hope you understand the situation. Now, how we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now, please always note while I'm shuffling the cards that tarot should always be used as a guide. So only take what resonates and leave the rest. Let's quickly begin. Now, what I see for you here, Taurus, is you have the Three of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, and the Emperor card. Your person has the Eight of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, the Five of Cups, and this is the Knight of Pentacles. Now we'll also go ahead and see what is the mutual feeling both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and what is the outcome of the relationship. Bottom of the deck, I have the Nine of Cups. So either you or your person has a lot of love for the other person, but they are right now in a very lazy energy and they don't want to move forward. Okay. Now what I see for you here, Taurus, is you have the Three of Wands. With the Three of Wands, you are currently stuck in a situation. Okay, you're waiting for your ships to come in. You want to go ahead and see how things will work out in your favor. Okay, and that could be because of some outside influence wherein you can go ahead and let loose, okay, and walk away from that situation. But currently I see that this entire situation is happening because of some deception that has happened. Okay, now it could be from your end or it could be that you face this deception, okay, and that could be because of an outside force. Now I also see that currently you are in the Emperor energy wherein you have understood that okay, something like this has happened, but you don't want this thing to impact you so much, okay, and you have moved to the Emperor energy where you want to lead this situation and you want to decide how this relationship should move forward. Now your person has a lot of guilt with the Eight of Swords. Yes, there is something that they may have done, or if the roles are reversed, this is something that could have happened to them. But here I see that for them, they have a lot of guilt, okay, and that could be because of something that has happened. And yes, this person wants to now take very small steps because they want to build a very solid relationship. Maybe in the past they did something wherein they rushed in and did something that broke your trust, okay, they did something deceptive and that is causing a lot of guilt. But now they understand that they have to take small steps to build towards the future that both of you want. Okay, now with the Five of Cups, yes, there was a love that was offered, but this person is right now feeling a lot of sorrow, a lot of regret, because in the traditional tarot this means that this person sees three cups right in front of them that have fallen, okay, and they are still not turning back because there are two more cups behind them. So all they need to do is have a little more faith and yes, you both can start forward. Now when this card came, okay, this was reversed, okay, so ideally when it comes to the Knight of Pentacles, it's a very slow moving energy, okay, this person moves so slow that it is as good as not moving. But this card came in the reverse, if you remember. With that, this person may have taken very slow steps towards you, but now they want to rush in, okay. Now let's take what is the mutual feeling both of you have. Yes, that's success. Both of you want victory and success in this situation. With the Six of Wands, you want this relationship to move forward. What is the blockage in the relationship is the Nine of Wands. So Nine of Wands is the blockage because both of you may be looking at different things. Maybe one person wants marriage and the other person doesn't want marriage. That could be one situation. Or the other thing could be one of you is already married, okay, and the other person is not aware of this, and that could also be the blockage in the relationship. Let's also see what is the outcome. The outcome of the relationship is the Queen of Wands. With the Queen of Wands, yes, one of you is very physically attractive and you know that about yourself. You can attract a lot of people. You have that magnetic energy about yourself, okay, so that's the outcome that I see. Let's take one card here to understand what's the intention of this person for you for this particular month. Let's take one card. Alright, with the Ace of Pentacles, yes, this person wants to go ahead and build. If you see, you have the Ace of Pentacles, you have the Page of Pentacles. Yes, this person wants to offer a new love offer to you, and that's built on very solid ground. So that's a very positive card. Let's take one more. That's the Hierophant. They want to take it slow, but yes, they want to take it forward, and those are very positive intentions I see from this person. If you see, they want to offer you love which is stable. They want to take it forward towards Hierophant, and that's again Taurus energy. And yes, they want to build with you with the Four of Wands. So that's a very, very positive sign that I'm seeing for this particular month. Now let's take one card here, which is the message from Archangel and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is the Azurite. The crystal messages: do you want to improve and trust your intuition, activate your third eye, and exercise your sensory gifts? You receive messages from the divine all the time. It is now time to notice the sign, interpret them, and use the higher guidance to create ease in your life. Now the message is from Archangel Raziel, which I'll put in the description box, and that's all I have for you for this particular month. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until next time, please stay safe and love yourself first.